It's not the money. It is a person who is satisfied, who goes home and says, you guys saved my life. AAR deals with managing people's health. And what we do is, in simple terms, is to make sure that people who have an income put aside some amount of money to take care of their health. AAR was founded in 1984 by Marika Beckman and her husband, Bengt Beckman. After Mr. Beckman died, I think 1998, she came back to do what is really was from her heart, and to look at a company they had put together which had become a giant, and she's now in charge of the corporate social responsibility. And the real soul of this company, the real heart of this company, we owe it to her. We do focus more and more towards the preventive healthcare, because if you look at most of the diseases we find, especially in Africa, most of them are preventable. We have a very good pool of qualified personnel, and that is improving all the time. And it has also become a hunting ground for overseas organizations in taking our nurses, our doctors to other countries. So it tells you that we have competent people in this part of the world. We really believe that being members of this society, if there is a calamity, we are part of it. We are again members of the East African Resuscitation Council. We do a lot of cases of emergency medical rescues, training of ambulance drivers, because no matter what we say, it's not good enough to say that we have the ambulances, we have the defibrillators, we have the equipment. If the person on the spot cannot be able to respond to, for example, a bleeding that is happening there, you'll find that it is too late by the time you get there. I think it was very difficult to have the same vision as Mr. Beckman had. He was a visionary. I think he was a lousy manager, but he was a visionary. He could dream things, and he could provoke your thoughts to levels that you had not thought about before. We are very humbled to be trying to follow his footsteps. I think people are core to your business. You really cannot progress in any organization unless you understand that some of those ideas and the greatest ideas are going to come from the most unexpected sources in your company. You need to look at a company that has a heart. For this brand to reach where it has reached because the people who started it have a long-term vision. One day we'll make a lot of money, but I don't think it is the theme at the moment. If you have a heart, then you have to say AAR has to take this money and to take the first prize.